Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can complete the Forgotten Tools quest in Fish It Roblox. So the Forgotten Tool quest can start if you already finished the Scientist Samantha quest before or the sample collection here outside the laboratory in the Kana Island. So you can start the next quest, which is the Forgotten Tools in here by interacting with Scientist Lucilles in here. So you can just talk to her and click on this one. I have the samples you requested from the Scientist Samantha. So click on this. And now here you can start the Forgotten Tool quest. So what you need to do is just grab the Scientist Samantha's tool. This is the tools in here. Pick it up. Now you need to go to the crater island. So you can just respawn to the crater island and find Scientist Samantha. Okay, so here I've already arrived in the crater island. And I'm going to find Scientist Samantha in here. So you can just go straight to the right and interact with her. Click on this one. And now what you need to do next is start the next quest. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.